Hey guys, how's it going? It's Justin here from Simplified Investing. As you guys can tell, this is going to be our weekly watch list video here. I will go through SPY as I typically do, and then I have 4 solid plays that I've been watching and that we've been playing as a team for you guys to check out and something to look forward to into this week, as well as key market updates and levels for you guys to watch on the underlying market. Before I get started, if you could check out simplified-investing.com, we would love to have you guys on board and become a private member of our community. Along with that, if you could like and subscribe to our channel, it does help out a lot. So for those of you who have watched our videos before, you do know that we typically break down the market as a majority of the stocks will be following the market in the coming week. Unless obviously there is news that's prevalent, but you will see a major majority of those tech stocks, large caps, will follow SPY, NASDAQ to a T, and that's why we monitor the market levels so closely. So really what I'm seeing, and something that's actually a key thing to watch here, we're finally gapping through of this 343 resistance level here. Now, where did we get that? Obviously, right here, rejected. This happened after that initial gap down. So you see this initial sell-off here from the 9.2 high at 360, 358.75. We formed this inverted hammer, rejected 5 times here at this 343 level. Again over here, finally gapping up here, trying to retest of this 358 high here. SPY, the overall market looking very, very strong here. Gapping up, gapping through here. News of stimulus also, which is going to help propel the market here. Again, this sell-off right here actually from 10.6 is going to be directly from stimulus talks that failed. Now we do get a pass, and now you can see we're finally breaking out through here. So we will have that strong support provided here at 343, and now we are finally gapping here. We do have that big gap to fill back towards that 358 level here. Will take some time here, but the overall market looking very strong here. Stimulus news coming here too. Some volume coming in, not the strongest that I'd like to see, but we're finally pushing through here, breaking out of this gap formation here again, or cup formation here. Cup breaking out. Strong bullish week here on the market. Looks to be trying to retest 350.66 here and then back up towards that 358 region. Again, liking the overall technicals here for the market coming up this week. Now we'll finalize the stimulus. Past that, I do think we can see those highs again here back at 358.75, and that's what we will be watching as a team. Our next stop here is at 350.06, excuse me, to watch for a level here. For those of you that don't know, this over here is going to be /ES. These are futures. They predict how the market would open right now. If the market were open, we are opening down 0.06% here, so not a big move yet on the futures at all. The first play that we are watching, and one that we've been playing quite a bit recently, is going to be FSLY. Prime 3-bar setup play here, making higher highs, gapping through with volume here. Again, you can see back on 10.7, over 20 million contracts traded here, and now we're seeing all this volume flowing into FSLY. Gapping through of this high here, we do have a strong base support provided here at 117. Also here at 124.23. Looks to be forming new highs here and breaking out for another run towards this 135 region, pushing towards highs, breaking out, volume strong, obvious uptrend here, 3-bar play setup, constant higher highs here. Looking for a scalp play on this one here tomorrow. We'll be watching this one. Good mover here. This is one that we actually played on Friday here, gapping up. Look at all this volume here. I will be either watching a retest of this 124.23 support here come intraday tomorrow, or a gap through of 128.77 to play calls to the upside here. Again, watch volume. We played it when it had that strong volume in the morning. Then again, you can see volume fades. So again, I can't stress this enough. I know this is a watch list, but always follow volume and liquidity on your moves as well as the trend and direction. So again, going back out here, FSLY, clear defined uptrend here. For those of you looking to swing trade, if you want a better risk to reward setup entry, watch a retest of this 117 area here or a retest of this 124.23 level here for a better entry for a swing trade, risk to reward being a lot greater than trying to chase this 3-bar play to highs here with inflated premiums. The other play, I should say the second out of the 4 plays, is going to be Apple. Again, large cap stock here, typically follows the market. You can see we're trying to push up here. Recently, what I've noticed here, all the way since 928, a lot of consolidation here. Again, we retest this 113 support, 112.61, then we hit this 115.83 level here, finally breaking out here with an after hours move here, up almost $1 here in the aftermarket. I do think that we can see this retest of this 120.82 level here, and then gap through that. We can easily see a retest of this 131 region. Understanding that we do need SPY to help cooperate here. Another thing and a reason why Apple is on here, they will be having their event here where they are releasing new products, they are giving updates on the iPhone and so forth. That typically propels Apple to the upside. I shouldn't say to the upside. Typically results in volatility in the underlying. What I am watching is going to be a gap through of this 120.82 level here, and then we can see a retest of that 131 level here. Again, going back, it doesn't mean that Apple is for sure going to go up. By no means is that what I meant. What I mean is that we're going to see volatility in it, in that we can see a propulsion up to this 131 level here, but we do need to break through of this 120.82 level here. Again, consolidation, sideways phase here. Now we wait for a break of the trend, and I'm watching, again, 120.82 to break this consolidation trend that did start here over a month ago. So again, watching Apple close here. They do have their event where they are releasing the new iPhone updates and so forth. I do think this will help propel Apple through this 120 region here. We do have earnings here on 10/29, so we do have some time here, but watching again 120.82 and then that 131 level here. The third play, UPS. Such a strong move here. Again, this one and FedEx, huge movers here off of this earnings here in 7:30. Weekly chart is what I saw this one on. Basically, what I'm seeing here, you get this post earnings run up here from 7:27 all the way to 8:3. Then you see all this heavy consolidation here. UPS trying to find a move here. Almost 2 months of consolidation here, all the way from 8:10 to basically last week. Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Holding this 156.74 bottom here. Finally gapping through here, trying to make another leg up on UPS. Pushing towards highs here. I am really liking this one here. The only thing we need to wait for is volume, like we've seen here back on 7/27, over 40 million contracts traded on the week, or over 40 million shares traded, excuse me. Now we're breaking out here. What do I see? I see the strong support provided here at 172, trying to break out, form a new base here, and then make another leg up towards highs here. Watch for this 172 base to hold support here for a better entry here on UPS. I will be watching this one to scalp calls here intraday, but nothing for swing trading here yet. Want to see that 172 support hold here, as well as watching earnings here on 10/28. For those of you who do play earnings, again, you can see how last quarter did, and we will see if this can carry that momentum and earnings run up. That is typical when it does have a blowout quarter like it did last quarter. So again, watching this one, watching that 172 bottom here, we can go out from the 1 year, 1 day, trying to form an ABCD pattern here. For those of you who have watched that video before, A, B, C. Now if we could ideally break with volume on candle D above 175.39, this one looking very strong here. Again, strongest support provided here at 172, and finally breaking out of this cup formation from 928 here. Strong day here on 10/7. Now let's see if we either retest this support here at 172 or gap through highs here at 175.04. That will be the key teller for UPS in the coming weeks. Regardless, great setup potential here on UPS. The last one that we've been watching a lot recently too, is going to be Square. I mean, look at this incredible move down here from 136 all the way up to 188 here. The only thing, again, Square not seeing much volume like we saw obvious on a gap up from earnings, but we did see a bunch of volume on this run up here back on 7.6, 7.7, 7.8. I do want to see more volume flowing into Square at this high here. We do have that strong base support here provided at 182, 181.97 to be exact. That will be the level to watch. Clear defined uptrend here. For those looking to swing, watch for a retest of the support here first at 182 before trying to chase something that's overextended. Something to note as well, premiums are getting very expensive here on Square. Takes a bigger move to see an underlying move here, so that is something to consider. Again, if we go out on the weekly chart, you can see clear defined uptrend here, gapping up here. Now let's see a retest of this base support here at 182 or a breakthrough of highs here at 188.74 to scalp this play intraday. We do have earnings coming up here on 11/5, so a little less than a month out, but we are forming that nice uptrend here, gapping through of this cup formation formed here all the way back on 8/24. Cup formation here, gapping up, 3-bar, making higher highs here. Now let's watch this intraday to see if we can break above 188.74 for a call play to the upside, or if we do retest of that 182 support here. So that wraps up our watch list. Leave a comment down below if you guys are watching any plays, just to see if we have some plays in common that we are watching. And then again, if you could like and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And again, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Hope you guys all have a green week. And for those of you that are on the team, looking forward to trading with you tomorrow. Thank you.